every single year, millions of people hand the government more money than they legally owe, not because they have to, but because they simply don't know any better. We're talking about billions of dollars in unclaimed tax credits sitting on the table while hardworking people shrug and sign their returns. And no, this isn't some shady loophole reserved for hedge fund managers and offshore accounts. These are credits the government literally designed for regular people like you and me. The system just happens to be so complicated that most of us never find them. Let's start with the biggest culprit, the Earned Income Tax Credit, which the IRS estimates goes unclaimed by about 1 in 5 eligible taxpayers every single year. That's billions of dollars, not deductions, not write-offs, but actual money returned directly to your pocket, left completely untouched. Think of a tax deduction as a discount on your grocery bill and a tax credit as someone just handing you cash at the register. They are not the same thing, and confusing the two is costing you. Credits reduce what you owe dollar for dollar, making them the most powerful tool in the entire tax code. Then there's the Child and Dependent Care Credit, the Lifetime Learning Credit, the Saver's Credit for Retirement Contributions credit, so obscure sounding that people assume they don't qualify without ever checking. It's like having a gift card in your wallet you forgot about while you're standing there paying full price. The cruel irony is that the people who need these credits the most, lower and middle income earners, are statistically the least likely to claim them, often because they're filing without professional help or sophisticated software. Meanwhile, the wealthy have accountants whose entire job is hunting these things down like sport. History shows us this isn't new. The tax code has always been a maze that rewards those with a map. Every major tax reform from 1986 to the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act of 2017 reshuffled the credits, and each time, millions of people simply didn't get the memo. Now here's where the behavioral economics gets interesting. Studies show that people dramatically overestimate the complexity of claiming credits and underestimate the reward. A classic case of effort aversion costing real money. We avoid the 2 hours of homework, and in exchange, we voluntarily donate hundreds or even thousands of dollars to a government that wasn't asking for it. A common misconception is that you need to itemize your deductions to claim tax credits. You absolutely do not, and most credits are available even on a standard return. Another myth is that making too much money disqualifies you from everything, when in reality, phase-out thresholds vary wildly, and many credits have higher income limits than people expect. The practical lesson here is embarrassingly simple. Before you file, spend 30 minutes running through the IRS's interactive tax assistant tool or asking your preparer to audit your eligibility line by line. One conversation, one question, one credit, it could return $500, $2,000, even $7,500 through the EITC alone. The discipline here isn't about being a tax genius. It's about building a consistent annual process where you treat your return like a financial review, not just a compliance chore. You don't need conviction or perfect timing, you just need a checklist and the habit of actually using it. At the end of the day, the tax code is a reflection of policy priorities. And right now, there are credits for going green with energy-efficient home improvements, credits for adopting children, credits for going back to school. The government is practically begging you to take this money. The only question is whether you're paying enough attention to accept the invitation. So the real scandal here isn't tax evasion or wealthy loopholes. It's quiet, polite, totally legal money left on the table by people who just didn't know to look. Discipline your process, size your effort appropriately, and make claiming every dollar you're owed a non-negotiable part of your financial routine every single year. And if you're ready to take the next step in building real wealth, check out our links in the description below, where we can help you get started in real estate investing, connect you with home contracting resources, and point you toward trusted lenders.